Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to support WooCommerce customers with a help desk ticket system. If you're running an online store, having a proper system to manage customer inquiries and support tickets is essential for maintaining great customer service and keeping your business running smoothly. Let's walk through the setup process together. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged into the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing the Helpdesk plugin. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and locate the Plugins option. Click on it and you'll see an expanded menu with several options appear. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce site, and it's exactly where we need to be to set up your customer support system. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar. In this search bar, type in Helpdesk. This will filter the results to show you plugins specifically designed for customer support and ticket management. From the search results, look for a plugin called Chatway Live Chat Customer Support, FAQ, and Helpdesk Customer Service and Chat buttons. Once you've found it, click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin. Take a moment here to understand the features and functions it offers, as this will help you make the most of the tool once it's installed. When you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. Keep in mind that the installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let the process finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once the plugin is activated, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu. You should now see a new option labeled Chatway. This is the plugin we've just installed and activated. Click on Chatway to access the Helpdesk system. You'll be directed straight to the inbox, which is the heart of your ticketing system and where you'll support and help your customers moving forward. From here, you can see different tabs such as unread tickets and unresolved tickets, making it easy to prioritize which customer inquiries need your immediate attention. This platform allows you to engage in direct conversations with your customers, respond to their questions, and assist them with any issues they're experiencing. It centralizes all your customer communications in one place, making support management much more efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Helpdesk ticket system for your WooCommerce store, giving you a professional way to manage customer support. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.